The ERP Refrigerator Valve W10897719 is a crucial part. It acts like a gatekeeper. Water flows through it. This valve controls the flow. It helps make ice. It also dispenses cold water. If your water dispenser is slow, or if your ice maker stops, this valve might be the problem. It is a vital component for refrigerator function. You might hear strange noises too. A faulty valve can cause these issues. Furthermore, leaks can also occur. This genuine ERP Refrigerator Valve W10897719 ensures proper operation. Therefore, it is a key player. It maintains the cold, refreshing flow. When considering a replacement, the ERP Refrigerator Valve W10897719 stands out. It is a direct fit. Installation is straightforward. You will not need special tools. Many users find it simple. It brings water back to life. Think of it as a small conductor. It orchestrates the water supply. Hence, your refrigerator performs well again. Moreover, it prevents common water issues. This valve ensures a steady stream. So, your drinks stay cold, your ice bins stay full. Consequently, it restores convenience. Indeed, it is a small part. However, it has a big impact. Overall, the ERP Refrigerator Valve W10897719 is a solid choice. It restores critical functions. Your refrigerator needs this part. It ensures water delivery. It also supports ice production. Ultimately, it brings peace of mind. Without it, your fridge is incomplete. It's like a missing puzzle piece. Therefore, it's a wise investment. Furthermore, it saves money. You avoid costly repairs. Finally, it extends appliance life. This ERP Refrigerator Valve W10897719 is essential. It keeps your kitchen running smoothly. Pros: cools rapidly to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, holds many drinks and food, quiet operation. Less than 45 decibels, energy efficient. Eco, Max modes. Works with home and car power, features LED display, has convenient Bluetooth control. Functions even when tilted, built-in light for easy access, easy to transport with wheels. Cons: may not fit all refrigerator models, installation can be tricky, durability concerns over time. Instructions can be unclear, requires professional help to install features. Direct OEM replacement, compatible with Whirlpool, controls water flow, genuine ERP part. Easy to install, durable construction, prevents leaks, restores water dispensing, fits many models. Crucial for ice maker. The ERP W10897719 refrigerator water valve is a genuine replacement part that works with Whirlpool refrigerators. It's designed to control the flow of water, which helps your ice maker and water dispenser work correctly. This part is easy to install, built to last, and helps prevent leaks. If your refrigerator isn't dispensing water or making ice, this valve can fix the problem and fits many different models. The ERP W10897719 refrigerator water valve is a portable cooling device, not a water valve, that chills items quickly to -4 degrees Fahrenheit and holds many drinks and food. It runs quietly and is energy efficient with Eco, Max modes. It works with both home and car power, has an LED display, and can be controlled by Bluetooth. This cooler even works when tilted, has a built-in light, and is easy to move with wheels. However, it might not fit all refrigerators, can be hard to install, and its long-term durability is a concern. The instructions can be unclear, and professional help may be needed for installation.